Friendship Park is one of 4 parks located on Granger Lake on Granger Dam Road, FM 971 in Granger, Texas. This park offers access to a boat ramp, a picnic day use area, as well as a beach area. It appears at some point RV camping was offered, but this is no longer the case. Entry is $5 for day use and passes must be purchased online. Cash is not accepted. I'll provide a link to the website below. The boat ramp is accessible by going straight down the road from the old pay station. A small parking area is available next to the boat ramp. Crappie is the most popular fish caught here, followed by catfish. White bass can also be caught. I will provide a link to Texas Parks and Wildlife's page on fishing at Granger Lake for further information below. There are several picnic spots at this park that are all covered, but only some had grills next to them. There is no path to the picnic benches, and you are not able to drive up to the benches either. Items must be carried with you. Much further down at the swimming area are more covered picnic benches. I wish there had been a path with gravel or concrete for easier access. Some of the covered areas appeared to be in need of repair. The beach area was clean. Overall, this is a good park to go to if you want a quiet place to get away from crowds for a family picnic and easy boat access to the lake. I would love to see trails for people to use and hope they plan to bring back camping.